Hello friends, welcome to Mind, Body and Soul website. I'm very happy to see you guys here. So Mind, Body and Soul has started in 2015. Our vision is to make India the most happiest country in the world, and we are helping people through our online workshops to master happiness, law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. So we have various workshops, but I will suggest you to join our 7 days law of attraction online workshop, which is currently free of cost. Enrolled, registered below on this page and join this workshop where every single day for 7 days I am going to send you emails and videos, and I will give you some fun practices to do on law of attraction, which will help you to become happy, positive and raise your vibration so that you can manifest your dreams into reality. Yes, so this is a basic level workshop which will really help you a lot. It will help you to understand what exactly law of attraction is. और ये वर्कशॉप हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में रखेंगे. तो जो भी मेरे वीडियोस होंगे आई विल शेयर विथ यू, वो वीडियोस हिंदी इंग्लिश कंबाइन में होंगे सो दैट नो मैटर विच लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद, आप उसको समझ सकते हो, आप डेली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. एंड इट विल टेक ओनली 15 minutes on daily basis. Yes, so all you need to do is give 15 minutes on daily basis, register on this 7 days law of attraction workshop for free and get my daily practices. I will also check your practices on daily basis. So personal mentoring is very important. I will personally guide you. I will personally check your practices on daily basis on my emails. So get excited, get ready and enroll today. Do register as soon as possible and let's make your life magical. I will help you to manifest your dreams into reality. Thank you so much.